In the world of arts and entertainment, technology is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Today, we delve into the future of interactive art, where the lines between the creator and the audience blur, creating a new realm of participatory experiences. Imagine mind-controlled art installations, where viewers can influence the artwork through their thoughts. Using brain-computer interface technology, artists can create dynamic pieces that change in real time based on the audience's mental state. This innovation not only makes art more engaging but also creates a deeply personal connection between the viewer and the artwork. Next, consider emotion-responsive performances. Imagine attending a theater production or a concert where the performance adapts to the audience's emotions. Using advanced emotion recognition technology, performers can adjust their delivery, music, or visuals to enhance the emotional impact of the experience. This creates a unique and unforgettable performance every time, tailored to the audience's collective mood. AI-personalized storytelling experiences are another groundbreaking concept. Imagine an interactive narrative that evolves based on your choices and preferences, guided by an AI that learns your interests and emotional responses. This technology can create immersive stories in games, virtual reality, or even physical installations, offering a level of personalization and engagement never seen before. These innovations represent the next frontier of creativity, where art is not just observed but experienced and influenced by the audience. They challenge traditional notions of art and entertainment, making them more immersive, personal, and interactive. These visionary technologies are set to revolutionize the arts and entertainment industry, creating a future where art is a shared, dynamic experience. If you're fascinated by the next frontier of creativity, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more visionary content. Thanks for watching, and let's explore the future of interactive art together.